How do you navigate national phase requirements after a PCT application? Imagine you've just filed a patent application under the Patent Cooperation Treaty, and now you're wondering what comes next. The journey from an international application to securing patents in specific countries involves a few important steps. Let's walk through what you need to do to successfully manage the national phase process. First, it's key to understand that the Patent Cooperation Treaty process has two main parts: the international phase and the national phase. The international phase involves filing and initial examination, while the national phase is where your application is reviewed and processed by individual countries. This is where you convert your international application into local patent applications. Timing is everything. You generally have 30 or 31 months from your earliest filing date, called the priority date, to enter the national phase. This deadline gives you time to evaluate the invention's patentability and decide where to seek protection. Missing this deadline can mean losing your rights in those countries. Next, you need to choose which countries to pursue patent protection in. Think about your business goals, market potential, and the costs involved. It's wise to focus on countries where your invention has the most commercial value. Once you've selected your countries, you'll need to meet each country's specific requirements to enter the national phase. These often include submitting a translation of your application if it's not in the official language, providing an oath or declaration from the inventor, and paying national fees. For example, in the United States, you must file the application in English, include an inventor's oath, and submit an information disclosure statement listing relevant prior art. In many countries, after entering the national phase, you must request an examination of your application. You can usually defer this step to save costs until you're ready. Keep in mind that examination fees vary by country and can range from a few hundred to over $1,000. Managing costs is essential. You'll want a budget for initial filing fees, translation costs, and examination fees. Some countries allow you to delay certain steps, giving you more control over your expenses. Finally, your strategy should consider not only costs but also the potential benefits of patent protection in each country. Think about market size, competition, and your long-term business plans. By carefully planning each step, from selecting countries to meeting their requirements and managing costs, you can effectively navigate the national phase after a Patent Cooperation Treaty application. This approach helps you secure the patent rights that matter most for your innovation success.